Today we are going to do unboxing of CM Storm Quickfire Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. CM Storm is a gaming series by Cooler Master that offer high-end mouse, keyboard, headphone, cases and other accessories. There are many models available in it, and in this video we are going to show you Quickfire Pro, which is one among them. This is a full-size mechanical keyboard with some unique features that are good for gaming. Let's quickly check out the features. Mechanical Cherry MX switches, due to which you get lower debouncing time compared to rubber dome switches. USB 2.0 connectivity, the most common plug-and-play interface. NKRO in USB mode. This offers a correct command based on each key press while playing games. Every key is separately monitored by the keyboard hardware. Multimedia shortcut, some quick access button for your media player. 1000 Hz /1 millisecond response time for fast responsiveness. Windows key disable in game mode. Partial RAD LED backlight to improve visibility in low light. Removable braided USB cable with routing so that you can adjust the keyboard location easily. Let's open the box and see how the keyboard looks. Inside the box you will get a quick start guide, a detachable USB connect cable, and a Quickfire Pro gaming keyboard. You can see the keys here and the glimpse of layout. We will give you more information on this in a detailed review of Quickfire Pro. As of now, I'll just show you the design of this keyboard. You can see the key layouts here. These are the function keys. You can see the thickness. The weight of this keyboard is 1300 gram, which is quite heavy. The USB connector is provided below.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.